How to change address in driving license online UK. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your driving license address on UK. So first of all, you need to open a new browser tab and search for www.gov.uk. That's the official website of UK government. And after coming here, you just have to scroll down and search for the driving and transport option on the last section. As you can see, service and information section, and you just have to click on here, and you just have to scroll down and click on the driving licenses. And after that, you have to scroll down and find the option where you can change the address on your driving license, and it's on the update your license section. And after clicking on here, you can see that you can change the address on your driving license by two methods. First of all, you can apply online, and the second of all, and the last method is you can apply by post. So when you apply online, you can change the address on either your full driving license or provisional driving license. It does not cost anything to change your address with DVLA. You can still drive while you are waiting for your new license. And if you want to change your name at the same time, you have to apply by post. And you must also change the address on your vehicle logbook V5C, update your vehicle tax direct debit, and change the address on your personalized registration number documents. So after that, you have to just uh, click on start now and follow the instructions, and that's how you can apply online to change the address on your driving license. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.